So these are our new daily routines.
I was so devastated last year.
Diamond ring.
Calm down. There's no more second guessing. Coming to
Welcome to the first official vlog of 2026 na nandito na ako sa Pilipinas. While I was doing my, alam nyo yun, schedule for the week, tapos ngayon lang talaga ako na, ayan. Yes, love.
I want to play a Kinder Egg.
Kinder Egg Hunt? Okay, sino magiging kalaro natin sa Kinder Egg Hunt? Sinong kalaro natin? Ikaw lang, paano yun? It's much more fun if may iba kang kalaro. And of course, Kuya Marcos. Hindi ko talaga maituloy-tuloy yung sinasabi ko. Ano ba sasabihin ko? Ayun. So, kasama sa unang part ng taon na hindi ko nagawa. Usually, I'll check my planner, which I wasn't able to finish last year. Usually, natatapos ko naman yung aking planner for the whole year. But last year was different. So, I think na-share ko na yun sa live na after nung mga treatments ni tatay, ayokong balikan yung planner ko. Kasi syempre, di ba, alam niyo yun, parang puro pagkita ko, check up. So, sabi ko, ayoko na muna mag-planner. But, kailangan ko talaga because I really have to keep my schedule. So, kumuha ko ng bagong refill sa planner and last year nagka-vision board ako kasi dun sa school na pinag-aaralan ko, there was one professor who asked us ano yung vision board namin in 5 years ba o 10 years. Yan. But I don't usually do a vision board every year. Pero ang ginagawa ko, yung personal take ko ay hindi vision board. Para siyang vision board pero hindi visual. Sinusulat ko every category. Halimbawa, family, travel, finance, ganyan. Kung ano yung goal ko for the year. Sometimes na-achieve, more often than not, hindi lahat naman. So, no isang araw ginawa ko yun. And while I was doing it, naisip ko, 10th year anniversary pala ng YouTube ko, August 2025, pero wala talaga akong gana to do one. Parang wala sa wish ko na magkaroon ng get-together with you guys. Physically, mentally, emotionally, lahat na. I'm not in a mood to celebrate. So ngayon, it's January. Inihabol talaga namin. It's January 30 today and we'll be doing a mini get-together with my viewers and followers. Plinano namin to guys, just because nung isang gabi, gumagawa nga ako ng sarili kong vision board, which I just did in Apple Notes. No images, hindi aesthetic, kung ano lang yung mga goal ko for the year with different categories. Sabi ko, sige, sabay ko na din kasi parang gusto ko din makita ano nang nangyari dun sa mga followers ko from before, parang checking in with my community. Kaya naisip ko tong vision soiree. Right now, we are preparing for it with my team. Buti na lang may mga katim ako who really helped me with this event. Kasi alam nyo guys, naisip ko lang to Sunday ata ng gabi as I was doing my journal nung tulog na yung anak ko. Tapos dumaan kami dun sa cafe na gusto namin. Kaso guys, may naka-reserve na hindi nila pwede ibigay yung whole venue for us. So canceled yung first choice. And then we went with second choice. Napuntahan ko yun because of an event. Tapos sabi ko perfect kasi may mga boys na gusto minsan nasa labas. Yung iba naman yung mga girls gusto nasa aircon lang. Lapit din dito sa amin. Kaya mamaya makikita nyo guys, may mga kasama ako na mag-help sa akin to prepare for the event. But this is gonna be a very simple event. No sponsors. Ano lang talaga. Gusto ko lang din dun sa event na yun, may makuha din kayo. So, yung lalabas tayong lahat ng merong laman yung chan and may laman din yung utak natin. So, we got someone to help us, visualize our goal for this year. Parang, the goal is to be able to have our visions together. So, ipaparealize na lang sa atin what we really want for our year. Kaya pinangalanan ko yung event na Vision Soiree. So, these are our new daily dewy tints in 4 shades and let's unbox. So, the last time I did yung ganitong klaseng event na, again, self-induced as well. Meron mga ganun, self-induced. Ay, I think 10,000 subscribers mga panahon. Sobrang tagal na, guys. Usually kasi with a brand, pero ngayon lang ulit. Ang ganda nilang tingnan pag magkakatabi talaga. So, these are our new daily dewy tints. It's available in 4 shades. I'll be putting the link in the info box below. And yung mga attendees natin mamaya will get to choose kung anong shade nila, masaswatch nila. Sila ang unang makakatry. Kasi nakiusap sa akin yung arcade niya na baka daw pwedeng isama namin to sa event. Sabi ko, nasasama ko naman sa vlog, pero at least yung mga viewers natin mamaya, ayan, wala tayong sponsor na brands or anything. It's just gonna be a very simple event. I'm going to try si 02 Floor. Actually, dapat hindi nga ako naglilipi ngayon kasi baka may ilalagay sa akin mamaya. Pero parang feeling ko sobrang putla ako. Ang gusto ko dito, guys. Sobrang sarap niya sa lips. Para lang siyang parang sobrang wala kang suot na meron siyang stain. Pero as compared to our daily lip tint, si daily lip tint comfortable matte. This one is Sobrang dulas. Pero hindi siya yung parang lechon levels na kumain na sobrang glossy. Pero meron siyang gloss and it really does moisturize yung lips. Mararamdaman nyo talaga. Meron kasing moisturization na parang nasa ibabaw lang. Pagka nilagay mo, glossy, tapos nasa ibabaw lang yung shine. Ito hindi. Pag ginanyan mo sa lips mo, alam mong nanonoot yung nourishment niya. So again, this is our Daily Dew Tint and si 02 Fleur yung trinay ko, which is yung lightest shade. Tapos guys, lahat ito ay nag-stain. So hindi lang siya basta gloss. So it's a staining gloss. This is one layer without dipping it back sa tube. Tapos baba lang ang nilagyan ko and ginanyan ko lang. Yan lang muna. At least hindi tayo namumutla. Kasi baka mamaya pag naglagay ako ng ibang shades, hindi naman ako malagyan nung bagay sa makeup ko later.
Perfect bodies in the shallow blue, drifting faster than they should.
We are now on our way to the venue. Si Utoy nakatulog na. Hindi na ako kanina gaanong nakapag-video since nakikipagtsikahan ako dun sa MOA nung ginagawa nila yung aking makeup. At ang nag-makeup sa atin is si Ma'am Glide. Siya rin yung nagturo sa akin sa isa sa mga lessons na na-try ko. And ayan ang ating makeup for today. For styling naman, si Ma'am Steph. Ma'am Steffi. So, ilalagay ko lahat ng mga links nila dito. Links tuloy, handles, IG handle. Usually kasi IG ko sila nakaka-communicate. Papasok na tayo guys. Ready na daw sila and yun nga, nakita ko to before sa kaibigan namin nung nag-event sila.
Para tayong nasa mall tour, ha? But anyways, we will start the program outside. Meron pa po bang hindi nakakapagpa-personalize? Wala na. And by the way, we also have our mobile bar outside. Danieli. How about sa bandang north? Pampanga. Malayo, Marikina City. Grabe. And then the rest, sige po, share nyo na lang later sa katabi mo. Set kayo na.
I love you. Wait for mommy.
Co-host ko po si Miss Anna tonight. So, tawagin na natin ang magiging co-host natin for today.
Sakto pala yung pasok.
Ayan.
Wait lang. Alexi naman.
Naka-edit na naman yung mga cellphone.
Wait, dito na tayo dumaan. Alexi, can you go to Tita Kim? You go to Tita Kim.
Welcome to our ECB's Visions World 2026.
I am an asteroid. I'm soaring through the sky. He yells, but I ignore. I always start the fight. I say he dims my light. I've been on fire lately. We're about to collide, but he still calls me baby. I haven't played nice yet, he still wants me. I give him hell, but heaven sent him. Calm down, there's no more second guessing. Coming to my senses, he's been here all along. And yeah, he's all mine, right here where I left him. I'll take
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Say hi guys!
Hi guys.
Welcome everyone!
Welcome everyone.
Okay, Mommy needs to speak. Okay, come on, stand up. Stand up. Mag-help daw kasi siya kay Mommy to work today. So, ayan. Good afternoon po. Unang-una sa lahat, thank you for attending today's short notice event. Hirap na hirap akong gumawa ng vision board. Kasi, syempre, what's to look forward ang vision board, di ba? Ang dami kong gustong ilagay. Ang dami kong gustong gawin. Nasabi ko, this is an actual problem. Na parang naririnig natin sila na, okay, do your vision board. Paano ba gawin yung vision board? So, sabi ko parang, okay, tapos 10 years na aking YouTube channel. I don't want to celebrate my YouTube channel na para bang influencer-centered. I want it to be about my community, the community that I've built. So today, we're gonna do our vision boards together. We'll be having someone to guide us and I'm super excited para hindi lang tayo mabubusog today. Lalabas din tayo with something na pwede nating gamitin throughout the years. Ayan. Thank you!
Thank you so much. Let's give her a round of applause. Anyways, wala namang grading system. Pero you'll get a prize. So that would be a team effort. So every table, kayo po ang magkakagrupo throughout the day. So very, cooperative dapat ang bawat isa sa team.
So, kinalala nyo na ba guys yung mga katabi ninyo? Ako yung nagpalagay talaga ng name tag. Kasi as a mahiyain, minsan gusto kong i-approach yung katabi ko, pero hindi ko alam yung pangalan niya. Ginawa na namin kayo ng paraan. Pagtingin nyo sa katabi nyo, kilala nyo na agad sila. So there's no reason for you guys to feel shy. You have to enjoy today because marami tayong matututunan today.
Yes. So gagawin lamang po natin dahil magaling naman tayo mag-video kanina. Kailangan lang natin na isang cellphone for each table. Isang cellphone lang daw for each table.
So mag-i-volunteer nyo na yung katabi ninyo kung sino mabilis pumili.
Yes. Ano to? It's like a short quiz, guys.
Quiz! Alexi,
May
quiz!
lang. So you just have to scan the QR for those who are in front. And for those who are
Game.
sa may bandang likod po, our teammate, Ren, will be there to let you see the QR code.
Ay, competitive. Tumatayo talaga.
Makikita
Ay,
nyo sa cellphone
competitive.
nyo. 2, 1, go! When is the birthday of Mrs. Alakay Villalobos? Ayan yung mga choices. You have 10 seconds to answer that. So, isa pa lang ang nagsasabi.
Para namang in-announce ang edad talaga si Sir. Unang tanong pa lang.
Okay, time's up. So, dalawa ang nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Okay? Next question. Mabilisan to, so you have to pick your answer as soon as possible.
Wait, lalabas ulit anak yung next question. You
Are
wait
you
for it.
ready for the next
Wait,
question?
wait.
What is the date and year? Ayan, dalawang wide guess to Alright, time is up. Let's see the scoreboard. For the scoreboard, we have
Hindi ko rin alam yung sagot dyan, no?
Okay, tingnan natin. Ayan, may naririnig ako dito. Mukbang daw. Mukbang garlic crab and garlic noodles. Ang most viewed ay Make-up on the Mondays. Para namang house and lot yung mga kanalunan nyo. Oh, Diyos ko. What is the college degree of Miss Anna? Naririnig kasi yung sagot. Mechanical engineer.
Na para bang magpapatayo sila ng bahay yung Mimi. Alam nila.
Everyone answered civil engineering. Para naman. So, scoreboard. And our first placer is Table C! Congrats! Ayan po, makakakuha po kayo ng tig-isang table poster.
So hopefully guys, nakilala nyo better ang inyong mga katabi. The point of the icebreaker is that you get to bond with your table mates. Kasi
Syempre, nandito tayo sa community event. We call in the very first person. Wow. Who supported? Ay, very first ba daw? Who supported Miss Anna? Let's all
Yes, what is
give
that?
a round of
What is
applause
that?
to Sir Jaloy!
Hello everyone. Ano ba? Ano bang sasabihin ko? Thank you sa pagpunta ng lahat po. Tapos, message, congratulations, Ana Del.
parang ano
So,
kasal yar.
ayun. Tapos ano ba? Dito naman. Sa kanila po. Oo, kasi kahapon magkakasama kami nila Kim. Hindi man na nila sinabi sa akin, meron pala akong speech ngayon. So, yun lang po. Thank you po sa pag-support nyo kay Annabelle. Saka sana continuous yung pag-support nyo sa kanya. Kahit 10 years pa or 20 years more. Yun na lang po. Thank you po. Thank you sa lahat. Kung may mga questions po kayo, itanong nyo lang sa kanya. Lagi na lang.
Sobrang heartfelt naman, oh. Grabe. Parang naalala ko yung mga bulaklak na may note card na wala nakasulat. Very jelly coded.
Ayan. Thank you so much po, Boss G. But anyways, ayun, we just want to, look back kung anong mga nangyari since 2015, and that's actually the goal of this event, to look back from the very beginning and to move forward in the coming years.
I am a fan of mga stationery, mga notebooks, pens. Hindi ko siguro lagi napapakita online, but I do have my own stash. Parang kahit yung mga iba nagdi-digital na lahat, I still keep yung pagsusulat talaga. Kasi feeling ko pag sinusulat ko siya, mas naaalala ko. Ako lang naman yun personally. Pero lately, unti-unti, kumbaga, dati pag may mga grocery list, linilista ko pa. Ngayon, yun I can go digital na. Kasi pag tingin ko sa cellphone ko, pag nasa grocery ka, mabilis lang. But, my schedule is still on paper. Nag-try ako ng mga apps like, different apps. Nagda-download, bumibili ng mga template, but I feel like hindi ko talaga siya ma-push doon. Iba pag schedule or gusto ko talaga written. So, as I was fixing my schedule the other night, syempre, hindi ko muna matulog si Alexei. Kasi, mahirap gawa ng schedule ng nanay pag may kulit ng kulit, diba? Sa true. So, as I was writing, sabi ko, hala, hindi ko pala nasimulan yung January ko. Kasi nung January, nasa Europe pa talaga kami. And supposedly kasi, ba't mga December mo ginawa yung sister? Pero, knowing me, ayan. So, as I was doing it, sabi ko, ang hirap, parang, anong gagamit kong picture? Sobrang daming picture. Pero ang kaya ko sa utak ko is i-categorize sila like, kunyari, family, travel, finances, mga ganyan. Pero ang hirap pa rin, kahit may categories, parang ang gusto ko, ang dami, di ba? Oh, sabi ni Alexia, ang dami kong gustong gawin. So sabi ko, parang ang hirap niyang gawin because ang dami kong gustong gawin, 'di ba? You can only do so much at a time. So sabi ko, sige, hindi ko muna tatapusin ngayon. And then sabi ko, it's a good activity to do with your friends. And wala naman ako masyadong friends, to be honest, in real life. Konti lang, I have a small circle of friends that I keep. And sabi ko, no, hindi. Marami akong kaibigan. Marami akong kaibigan online. So sabi ko, okay, let's do naiiyak pa nga. Ba't ako naiiyak? Let's do our vision boards together because it's a blessing to be alive. It's a blessing to have your friends together with you, your family together with you, and I don't want this to feel too heavy on you guys. Syempre, nag-i-envision tayo, but I want you guys to feel lighter after this event. Pag gumagawa kasi ng vision board, what I felt last Sunday, parang ang dami kong gustong ilagay na hindi ko mailagay. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako magsisimula. Now, I'm not expecting you guys to be able to do your vision boards today, but at least
alam ko na pauuwiin ko kayo na you know where to start. Yun naman yung importante, that you guys start. So, ayan. Thank you for coming today and I really, really appreciate it given the short notice. Sana, hopefully, you know, let's make this a yearly event. Today kasi, we only have, came how many days? 4 days? Almost 5 days. So, 5 days lang namin prepare ito. But hopefully, next year, let's make it a bigger year. And sabi ko, okay din, no? Hindi tayo matatapat sa mga Christmas parties. You guys enjoy your Christmas parties. And every January, let's start anew. Let's do our vision boards together every January. And it is my service to my community na din. Ayan. Thank you guys for attending today and hopefully may matutunan kayo.
Thank you. Talaga nandun na tayo sa era na kailangan natin magsulat because tita age na talaga ang mga
Yes.
person. Marami tayong nakakaligtaan. So, very, very helpful talaga ang pagsusulat.
Welcome back!
Welcome back. Actually guys, nag-model na ako sa kanila before.
Yes, kaya familiar ang face
Bakit
niya.
ako biglang magsasalita doon? But let's go.
But we are so excited, Zara, for you to share your knowledge. Kasi 'di ba, parang lagi natin talagang naririnig sa iba na importante na isulat mo pag may naiisip ka kasi baka makalimutan mo or para mas ma-process mo siya. So, Zara, take it away. Help us do our life alignment worksheet.
Interesting.
Ayan.
Pero guys, this is gonna be very chill. So, nalabas yun yung energy niyo kanina. So now, ilabas natin siya sa paper. I just wanna ask you guys, ano yung one word na masasabi niyo for 2025 niyo?
Volunteer pala talaga ako dito. No? Siguro, my word for last year was life. Because life happens. May mga bagay talaga na, you know, it's gonna happen whether you like it or not. And you just have to go through it and learn from it. So, life. So that I can push my career. So that's for life category 1. Sino kaya yung willing ni Zara to share with the life category 2, which is personal growth and lifestyle? Para tumingin sila lahat sa papel.
For personal growth and lifestyle, ngayon kasi, as a running era ako, nag-register ako sa marathon. Yung parang yun yung magiging goal ko for, actually next month na siya. So, yung what habit or mindset do I want to cultivate this year is to be consistent. Kasi I started my running last year dahil to sa yung makaka-relate kaya sa akin dito sa motherhood, yung letting go ng anak. Like, kasi yung anak ko is naging teenager na all my life, yung nag-aalaga ka ng anak mo, then naging teenager na yung only child mo, and parang hindi mo alam kung paano ka mag-start ng sarili mong life. Dahil yun lang yung naging life ko, yung mag-intindi ng anak, dun umiikot yung buhay ko. Basta to make it, long story short, ay nakapag-start ako ng running dahil nga parang magkaroon ako ng time sa sarili ko naman.
Wow, thank you, ma'am.
So, our runner-up will receive local trip, good for 2, flight and accommodation na po.
Sana next year may sponsor na tayo, no? Kasi guys, ito ay talagang out of pocket lang naming mag-asawa.
So, yan yung mapapanalunan. And then, another one, second prize is an international trip.
Sila mamimili kung saan.
Kung saan nila gusto, parang itong Asia na trip, anywhere, kunyari gusto nyo, Thailand, Hong Kong, whatever. Basta may given budget kami for each category. Pero, don't worry guys, ako naman na nag-compute ng budget na yun. So, hindi naman, sapat
Actually,
naman yun.
Ako nag-compute din ako guys, sobra.
Pero ano kami guys may terms and conditions naman ito. So, sila Kim ang nag-set ng terms and
May
conditions.
terms and conditions. Sa mananalo po, our team will get back to you and give you all the terms and conditions po.
Pero guys, sana yung manalo dito gamitin this year, no? Baka naman 2027 na kami mag-go. Hopefully this year para ma-enjoy nyo agad. Tapos pakitag na lang kami, gano'n.
And actually guys, both trips, local and international, are exclusive for Miss Anna's subscribers and followers because we have a grand prize raffle which is for everyone. Okay, nalabasan na. Ang customized diamond ring. It's Manila yun. Okay.
Congrats, ma'am. Congratulations.
Ma'am, iuwi ko tayo yan.
Pag hindi inuwi, ma'am, walang ano.
Okay, our next raffle, international. Sabi nung iba, okay lang kahit naman sa local, baka sa international. Okay, are you ready? Hi, Marina. Are you ready? Okay, sister, i-roleta mo na yarn! And the winner is Ana Rosane
Di Yabes.
Congrats po, Miss Ana! Ay, Ana ka din! Alright, congrats po, Miss Ana! Picture po tayo. Ayan na. Handa na ba ang lahat? Pati ang mga nasa labas. Dahil ang susunod na raffle ay para sa lahat. Opo. Change roulette tayo, girl. May biglang mag-propose, ha? Pag nanalo, ha? Okay! Our next roulette is open for everybody!
Thank you, kuya.
Sino malalakas ang boses? Team Anakan! Team Jello! Ay, wala lang. Masaya ako. Okay, ulabak mo. Alam ko yun, oh. Okay, girl, iroleta mo na yan!
Ano, Lori, guys! Congratulations, ma'am.
Swerte yung mga ana, ha?
Ano yan, ha? Nakita niyo sa harapan, ha? I mean, it's all fair. Congratulations, ma'am. Si ma'am before nag-attend ng intimate event. Yan.
Yes.
Photo.
Naku, Ma'am Ana! Ayoko na! Hindi, sobrang saya ko po para sa inyong lahat. Bukas po ulit, Miss Ana, may raffle, ha? Congratulations to everyone! Meron po ang mga sarili nyo. Everyone will get one of the shades later po. Iikot po yung team namin para
Okay.
mabigay po ng ating mini duwitin. Kayo po ang unang makakatay!
So, Kim, ano to? Pwede ba nila iswatch yun? Ano
Yes
nandyan?
po. Actually, nag-start ako kanina.
Oh, okay, okay.
So, pwede nyo i-swatch guys para makita nyo yung mga shades. And alam niyo yan, lagi namin sinasabi, ay, paano ba dito trabaho? Lagi namin sinasabi yun sa inyo guys. Lahat ng shade range natin bagay, both morena and maputi. And so, support natin na rin Maripet. Lagi nag-ahat ng friends yun sa Arcadia. But, yun guys, you get to try. First dib talaga kayo guys sa ating Really Do It In kasi kaka-launch lang din kaninang 12 noon. So you are very, very, very blessed to get one of each later. So pwede po kayo mag-swatch. Meron po dun sa likod to see all the shades, ganyan. And let us know your thoughts. Tag us at Arcadia Beauty _PH. Ayan. Lahat po ba part na ng Club Arcadia? Talaga, lahat po, sure.
Kim, parang wala ano na to, ah.
Ikot ako, hindi ko kayo mga Arcadia nun. Hindi siya nag-audit. Hindi. Thank you so much po. So, kainan na po tayo. Yay! Thank you so much, guys!
Ay, guys, yung sabihin na duwitin ko, paki-ano kami, pakita